Hi everyone. So as you can see, the video is directed towards this window, which is what I'll be working on in this video. So out of all the windows in the house, this is the only one, thankfully, that had severe damage. The other windows were fine. The only thing that needs to be done with them is your basic stripping all the old paint and maybe a little bit of restoration, but this one here, the whole thing has to be gutted out. A new frame has to be built from scratch because these frames just don't exist anymore. And so what I've started to do is strip down the trim here, and I am going to be taking apart piece by piece. I've already taken apart the bottom window, and I've bought new glass. Now, its current glass had 1/8 inch glass, but I went with 1/4, and I know that's going to be really heavy, but these windows, I don't plan to open them too much. I want to conserve on the elements getting into the house and keeping them out. And so like the back windows, they're all kind of your normal rectangular shape, but these particular ones in the front are oval and they're more decorative. And the idea of putting storm windows in front of them just does not appeal to me at all. I think it would ruin the look of the house in the front. So for this window here, and for all the windows that are facing the street, I'll be using 1/4 inch glass to help with the elements, so these won't since these won't have a storm window. You're probably asking, why restore these windows? Why not just purchase brand new vinyl windows, custom vinyl windows? And there's a couple of reasons. The first being that customizing vinyl windows for this particular house would be ridiculously expensive. But also, and more importantly, after investigating or doing a lot of research about historical windows versus vinyl windows, it turns out that if you restore these windows properly, they will last a lot longer than any vinyl window out there on the market. So I'm going to attempt to basically just restore these myself, make sure they're all nice and solid and resealed in all the places that need to be. And that'll hopefully save me some money. I'll do it the right way, and that way they'll last long. I'm comfortable working with these windows because I work a lot with furniture. I've built furniture, I've stored furniture, and so I don't have any problems taking on projects like these. So I'm going to list the products out in the description section, but just so you know, I am using a paint stripper called JASCO. It's one that I've used for years now, and it's performed very well for me, and I'll probably continue to use it. And then I just use that, pour some of those chemicals into the little bucket there, and apply it with a very cheap brush, and let it sit for a while, and let the chemicals work through the paint, and so it becomes easier to remove. There will be a series of these videos in restoring this particular window, as this will be a long process. So for now, just enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching.